It's the third energy conference and expo here at the Guyana Marriott Hotel. GBTI is one of the exhibitors, and with me, my special guest is no other than the Business Development Manager, Miss Preya. And it's always a pleasure to have her on our feature. You know, GBTI have been around for a number of years. They got so many service. But before we go into our actual feature, Miss Preya, welcome to our feature. How are you doing today?
Thank you. I'm doing well. And you?
I'm good as well. Thank you so much for asking. So the whole buzz is about energy conference and expo, but GBTI got so many surveys. And before we go to those surveys, could you give our viewers a brief history on GBTI and its main aim or its goal?
Sure. So, GBTI is the largest indigenous bank. We've been around for a number of years. We have the largest reach across the country. We have 12 branches as far as Lethem, Port Kaituma, Bartica, and Regina, Berbice. So if you want a bank with convenience, talk to us. We have the widest reach. We have the largest network of ATM and point-of-sale machine. We have experienced sales persons across the branch who is ready, willing, and able to assist anybody who, may be unsure of how to go about financing a need that they have. So we offer a number of products and services as well that can meet the needs of our clients.
And what are some of the services that GBTI is offering here at this expo?
So I like to tell people that GBTI is a solution-driven bank. And so we don't want to say that we're here specifically for a specific purpose, because somebody can walk off the road and come with a need that maybe we're not promoting. So we want to say that we've been an agile bank, we've been a solution-driven, we've listened and we've recognized what's happening across the country. And so we have a product and service for each person. So if you have a need, whatever it is, be it personal, be it for the business, be it for companies, we have a solution for you. Mm-hmm. On the retail side, you know that we've been a leader in the housing market. Mm-hmm. We have the best rates. We have the lowest equity. We have the longest repayment time. So on the retail side, you can see us for mortgages, for car loans, for personal loans. And recently, you've seen us in the media pushing MasterCard. MasterCard is the latest credit card we now have on the market. It's very... the benefits are very interesting. On the Gold MasterCard, you have a cashback on local purchases. So persons wishing to travel, shop online, or any expenses at all, you can utilize the MasterCard. We also have Visa card available. So that's on the retail side. On the commercial side as well, we have loans available to persons starting up their business, for companies, for working capital, purchase of equipment, acquiring properties, and so forth. So we have a wide range of products. If you look at what we are showcasing, we have done quite a bit as well on the oil and gas side. So we finance a few projects, and to say that we're a local bank, we also play on the international space where we give financing to the larger projects.
If you were to give an example, what is the success story for GBTI? I know it'll be so much.
We have a lot. But I'm happy to say that GBTI is transforming. And when I say transforming, you would see us now more in the media. We're now promoting the products and services we've had. People back in the day would see us not being in the retail space, and now we we're conscious of where the country is going. We understand, there is an increase in disposable income, and we are ready and able to assist persons, who want to acquire a car or a house or something. And so there are a lot of success stories. We've helped women-led businesses in the past. That is also an area that we continue to look at, and those are some of the things that we will continue to support, some of those sectors.
And then GBTI, if you have a loan with GBTI and you need refinancing, GBTI can do that as well for you, right?
We have, depends on what you're, like I said, we're solutions driven. I mean, once you have a need, we find a way to make it work for you.
And those persons who are hearing about those gold cards for the very first time and want to acquire one of that, how can they do so?
So you can visit us. So you can visit us online. Our website is www.gbtibank.com. You can apply online, or you could visit any of our branches that is most convenient to you, and we'd be happy to walk you through the process.
Mm-hmm. And then, GBTI have been doing so many things throughout the year. They're always giving back to society, but also when it comes to housing, always playing a part. Persons can look forward to GBTI being at the Building Expo this year, right?
For sure. We've recently launched, I don't know if you've seen it, but we're now promoting a loan for rodeo. Easter and rodeo is coming up. We just recently launched that product for person wishing to go to the rodeo. Whatever you need the cash for, come in and talk to us. We have a loan. And so that's why I said we're solution driven. We have a loan for any purpose, anything you think about, we can find a way. So we have the rodeo loan that's going to run from now until Easter. And it's open to anybody, not just the people in the hinterland or, in Lethem. Persons out here wishing to go to rodeo and you need some funds, talk to us. And just a sneak peek, we're going to be, you're going to see us launching or rebranding a product that we have. We're going to probably do that in about 2 weeks' time. So look out, follow us, and pay attention to what we have to offer.
You still didn't let the pig out the bag.
I wouldn't.
Before we
look out, follow us, yes.
Before we go, I know GBTI for the longest time been asking customers to sign up online banking. It's very important. You can do it. You could, in the comfort of your home, you could do so many things. Just remind our viewers why it's important.
It is, and we have seen we've seen improvement in that area where a number of persons have signed up. So now our Go Banking platform is so easy to navigate. It is so easy now to do business. You don't physically have to come into the bank to do your business. You could do practically everything online. Again, go to our website, you can sign up, you can get connected so that you don't have to come in. So practically, you can do anything online. And you can top up your phones, you could you do your MMG payments and all of that online.
It is very simple, and GBTI have very polite and courteous staff and always willing to help you, because I didn't know about online banking. GBTI always say, sign up. And then I went into the bank and they showed me how, and it was so easy. I was so disgusted, but the young lady, she was so patient, and she helped me to add whatever account I have so that I could make my installment. I don't need to go to the bank anymore. So you have that installment date, you just go on your computer or your phone, sign in, just do your payment. It's easy.
Yeah. We've always prided ourselves with providing great customer service, and I'm proud to say that we have a team that recognizes that customer service is important, and we continue to provide that level of service for our customers.
Any last words before we go, Ms. Preya?
visit us if there is a need. I ask that you consider GBTI as your banking partner if you have not done so already. Thank you.
Well, viewers, there you heard it from the Business Development Manager, Ms. Preya, telling you all about GBTI. If you are not a GBTI, if you're not with GBTI, I'm urging you to sign up today, whether you want to buy a car, whether you want to buy a house, you want to start a business, or you want them to refinance you, or you just want to feel the love and you need to get some money back in your pocket, head down to GBTI. They got 12 branches across the country. You don't want to miss out on the great deals. Samantha saying goodbye and be safe.